because the cancer had attacked him seriously. They meet as the journal is followed. Fellow mourners, let us not forget that it is through the selfless sacrifices and dedication to duty by the late three gallant sons of the soil we are laying to rest today. And men are the departed and living cadres that Zimbabwe continues to enjoy its sovereign nationhood as a state. We can only realize our vision of attaining an empowered and prosperous upper middle income society by guarding against and desisting from all forms of actions and misdeeds which undermine the national interests. Foremost is corruption and all forms of related unethical and self-conduct, especially in respect of business transactions at whatever level, small, medium to large economic units. Any act of shady dealings and acts of deceit goes towards undermining the ideals of which these gallant national heroes sacrificed. Let us all strive to build a habitable, peaceful, economically stable, and secure Zimbabwe as a legacy for future generations. It is the duty of each generation to take our nation forward. That way, the trajectory of our nation will remain on the upward, with each generation leaving a wholesome legacy for the one coming after it. The three heroes that we are burying today leave behind all that they worked for during their lifetime. As it is written in Job 1 verses 21, that naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return there. No one amongst these three heroes lying there, no one carries to the world yonder the material things one gathers in one's life. What one carries to the world beyond, we are told by scriptures, is one's righteousness. What one leaves behind on this earth for the living are the good deeds, selfless sacrifice, which goes towards defining one's legacy. So let's all of us keep a clean legacy. Such is the story from all our heroes who lie here and elsewhere in unmarked graves strewn across the length and breadth of our country, and in countless mass graves in neighboring countries. Many never made it to a free Zimbabwe, and their tragic fate must remain a cautionary tale to our collective conscience. The only way we can honor these heroes and heroines is to make sure that we all build the Zimbabwe that they envisioned. Indeed, the great Zimbabwe we want, which is peaceful, secure, prosperous, and always moving forward. It is with these ideals that our President, His Excellency Dr. Manje Mnangagwa, gave us the cardinal principle of nyika inovakwa nevene vayo, ilizwe lakiwa ngavanikazi valo. Nyika inotongwa nevene vayo, ilizwe libuswa evanikazi valo. Nyika inodzivirirwa nevene vayo, ilizwe livikirwe ngavanikazi valo. No one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever. Corruption aborts our quest for sustainable economic development, peace and stability. Our struggle for independence was founded on the values of unity and love. These are timeless and ageless values which we must personify today and tomorrow, and which we must pass on to those who come after us. They make a nation. They give character to a people. Above all, they make us winners in every sphere of human endeavor. As we strive to develop our country, what must always guide us is the need to shun hatred and to embrace each other through love, tolerance, and forgiveness. If you become a false witness, then be it known that you are betraying these three comrades we are laying to rest today. Also to those whom we laid here and at various shrines across the country, and indeed those who are buried in mass graves in neighboring countries. Let us remember that we lost over 50,000 Zimbabweans, combatants, Mujibas and Chimbwindos, and our parents and children during the War of Liberation, lest we forget. Lack of respect for each other and pet jealous are mortal sins, which cannot be forgiven here on earth and in heaven. We should respect one another and continue to be guided by the ethic of Ubuntu, taking cognizance of the fact that every Zimbabwean who was born as we fought for our independence, contributed in different yet important capacities towards this one sacred goal, which motivated us all and built solid unit in struggle. No one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever